Welcome, students. Today's topic of revision is formal invitations and replies. Word limit for this topic is 50 and it comes under short writing composition, and marks awarded for the same will be 3 marks, one for format, one for content and one for expression. So before we begin this topic, let us know exactly how many types of invitations are in our syllabus, means class 11 and 12th syllabus. So when it comes to invitations, okay, when it comes to invitations, there are two types of invitations. One is formal, another one is informal. Okay, now these two types of invitations will have invitation also and reply also. Okay, invitation also and reply also. And when you are replying, then you will have reply of acceptance, one type, and reply of refusal, another type. Same thing, same division will be in case of informal invitations as well. Like one type will have invitation, another will have reply, and in reply we'll have two categories. First one will be of acceptance and another one will be of refusal. Okay, now when we look at this thing, so how many types we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one 8. So out of these 8, one type of invitation will come in your exam, and you will have to answer that in 50 words only, and you will be awarded 3 marks for the same. So let us start. So here we have types. A is formal invitation and B is informal invitations. So formal invitations are for office purposes, sent to boss, workplace, school or institution. And informal invitations are sent to family, members, friends and other general acquaintances. Now in this video we'll be dealing with formal invitations. A formal invitation is normally a single sentence presented in थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, ये बहुत ही ध्यान देने वाली बात है कि जो फॉर्मल इनविटेशन होता है वो नॉर्मली क्या होता है, अ सिंगल सेंटेंस प्रेजेंटेशन इन थर्ड पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन में बस एक सेंटेंस का ये फॉर्मल इनविटेशन होता है. ये हम आगे देखेंगे हाउ. फॉर्मल इनविटेशंस आर जनरली प्रिंटेड इनविटेशन कार्ड्स, द इनविटेशन कार्ड्स यू जनरली रिसीव. We use them to invite guests on some auspicious occasion like birthdays, wedding, inauguration of shops, houses, etc. The invitation answers the questions who means who's calling, to whom the person is calling, when, and where means place or the venue, and at what time and for what reason here also. The occasion and name of the invitee or invitees also is given, name of the host is given, date, time and venue, everything is mentioned in this invitation card. The other details include name, designation, address of the organizer, sponsor or host, if any organizer is there, any sponsor is included or the host, and even if chief guest, if we have any chief guest, then the name of the chief guest is also supposed to be included, and special invitees as well in case of official invitation. Printed formal invitations don't include the name of the addressee. यहाँ पे इसका मतलब ये है कि आप जिसको इनवाइट कर रहे हैं तो प्रिंटेड जो इनविटेशन कार्ड होता है उसमें उस पर्सन का नेम नहीं होता है. ये नेम कहाँ होता है, वो एनवेलप पे होता है जिसमें हम रख के ये इनविटेशन कार्ड भेजते हैं. इनविटेशंस टू वीआईपी to preside over a function do carry the name of VIP prominently. अगर आप किसी VIP पर्सन को बुला रहे हैं चीफ गेस्ट यानी कि CG बनने के लिए, तो उनका नाम आपको मेंशन करना होता है. लेंथ एज पर CBSE गाइडलाइंस दैट इज 50 words. Now we have a clear picture of what formal invitations are. So now we'll see a sample. So here we have a question. Messrs. Gupta and Sons are opening a new grocery store named Gupta Groceries in Himansh Heights, Vrindavan Yojana, Lucknow. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Sunday, the 28th of April, and then here is mentioned at 11 a.m. Prepare a formal invitation letter for the purpose. Now what we know who are the host here, what is the occasion like inauguration of Gupta Groceries, and we know where, we know the address here, And inauguration ceremony, we know when means Sunday, and date is also mentioned, and time as well is mentioned. Everything is given. Now we'll see how these invitations, means formal invitations, are a single line stuff. Now here we have an example. So first of all, see, name of the invitees is written here. Messrs. Shyamlal and Sons, name of the firm, name of the company, announced the opening of Gupta Groceries, a multi-purpose store in Himansh Heights, Vrindavan Yojana, Lucknow. Inauguration is on Sunday, the 28th of April 2000 something. Date is mentioned at 11 a.m. All are cordially invited for a visit and avail inauguration discount of 15% on all goods. Then full stop here. Now you find here, right from the beginning till the end, you found only one full stop. So it shows it's one line written in third person. And how it is in third person? यहाँ पे कहीं भी you, I, etc. is not written at all. You is second person, I is first person pronoun. So these things are not mentioned. Names are mentioned. So names are third person pronouns. Then towards the end, you have to add RSVP as well. One more sample. Sunrise Global School Agra is going to organize a one-act play competition in the school auditorium. You have decided to invite noted stage artist Nalini to grace the occasion. Draft a formal invitation for her. In about 50 words, you are Karuna or Karan, Cultural Secretary of the school. So here is the answer. The principal, staff and teachers of Sunrise Public School take pleasure in inviting you to grace one act competition. See, you can change the size of the letters and the sentences which you are writing while composing this invitation. Like यहाँ पे change हुआ, इसका size अलग है, यहाँ पे font मैंने अलग कर दिया है और यहाँ पे RSVP का size अलग है, तो ये liberty आप ले सकते हैं. In school auditorium, name of the place, on Tuesday, then day and year also is given, time also is given, awaiting a favorable response from your end. आपने यहाँ पे बस invite किया है नलिनी को, आप उन्हें चीफ गेस्ट बनने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं. सो एक जनरल इन्विटेशन यहाँ पे ड्राफ्ट किया गया है और आपने उन्हें इन्वाइट किया. सी हियर, हर नेम इज नॉट मेंशन. वो नेम कहाँ पे होगा? जिस एनवेलप में हम ये इन्विटेशन कार्ड रख के भेजेंगे उस पे. Now, we have one more example here. You are Sachin Bansal, the head boy of Springdale's Public School, Gurgaon. Your school is holding an inter-school T20 cricket championship from 2nd October to 8 October. Write a formal invitation to Shri B.S. Bedi, the legendary cricketer, to inaugurate the championship on 2nd October at 10 a.m. at your school ground. अब ये तीसरी तरह का इन्विटेशन यहाँ पे आपने देखा. इसमें आपने क्या करना है? आपको एक पर्सन को इन्वाइट करना है इनॉगरेट करने के लिए. इसका मतलब क्या है? चीफ गेस्ट बनने के लिए. तो उसका फॉर्मेट हम फॉर्मल लेटर की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या मिल गया? नेम ऑफ द राइटर हियर, नेम ऑफ द स्कूल हियर, and then we have the person whom we are going to invite and why. T20 cricket championship subject भी मिल गया हमें. So let us see how to invite people to inaugurate a function or to be the chief guest. Here is the answer. First of all, sender's address. We are going to follow here the format of फॉर्मल लेटर्स. तो अगर आपको चीफ गेस्ट को इनवाइट करने के लिए या किसी वीआईपी को इनॉग्रल फंक्शन के लिए या फिर इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए बुलाना है तो आप ये वाला फॉर्मेट यूज कर सकते हैं. देन डेट इज मेंशन्ड, देन person whom you are inviting, like Shri B.S. Bedi, then his address is mentioned, then subject inauguration of cricket championship, then salutation, sir, our school is holding an inter-school T20 cricket championship from 2nd October to 8 October, then year is mentioned here. All the schools of the area are likely to participate. Your presence in our mess will act as a catalyst and inspire us. You are requested to inaugurate the championship. आपने यहाँ पे reason mention कर दिया और आपने उन्हें बता दिया कि inauguration कब है और कौन से time पे है and where. In our school ground. Kindly confirm your availability by 30th September, and you requested the person to confirm the availability as well. Then yours faithfully, Sachin Bansal, the name of the writer and designation head boy of the school. So this way, if you are inviting any person to inaugurate any function, then you can use the format of formal letter to write the invitation. Now we come to replies. कि अगर हमें invite मिला है फॉर्मल इनवाइट, तो हम उसके रिप्लाईज कैसे लिख सकते हैं। तो हम यहाँ पे दोनों तरह के रिप्लाईज सीखेंगे। हम सीखेंगे रिप्लाई ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस ऑल्सो एंड वी लर्न रिप्लाई ऑफ रिफ्यूजल एज वेल. Let us see. So first of all, we'll know the main characteristics of replies. A formal reply is usually very short. It is brief and to the point. The quality of a good reply is that it must always be pleasant. It means if you are declining it also, then also you have to be courteous. You have to thank the person also कि आपने मुझे invite किया. Thank you so much for that. Then you will be giving the reason in short that why you are not able to come. And if you are able to come, then happily you are going to accept this invitation और आप कहेंगे कि yes, I'll be there. The tone is supposed to be formal and there is no room for unnecessary details. कुछ भी unnecessary include नहीं करना है और superfluous matter in them. Acknowledge the invitation. आपको first of all क्या करना है, invitation को acknowledge करना है, means कि बताना है कि yes, I received your invitation. Then express thanks in third person. Again here, I, we, these things are not supposed to be used in formal reply. Also mention acceptance and regret, and towards the end you will mention here that you are accepting this invitation or you are regretting that you cannot come. Specify the reason for refusal in short and be formal in tone. Do not exceed the word limit as usual. आपको 50 words की word limit यहाँ पे रखनी है. Now we have sample of replies. So write a formal reply to Mrs. and Mr. Chawla accepting the invitation to attend the 5th birthday of their son Rahul. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, आपको accept करना है. ओके, सो क्या invitation मिल रहा है आपको, यहाँ पे बर्थडे पार्टी का invite है. किसका बर्थडे है, राहुल का 5th birthday. And who's inviting you, Mrs. and Mr. Chawla. So you will have to write this same order in your reply also, Mrs. and Mr., not Mr. and Mrs. So here is the reply, formal reply. It is mentioned, Mrs. and Mr. Manjeet Rathore thank. First of all, you thank the person that yes, we have received your invitation and thank you for that. Mrs. and Mr. Chawla for inviting them. See, third person pronoun here also and names are mentioned. तो यहाँ भी क्या है, third person pronoun. On the occasion of the 5th birthday of their son, again third person pronoun. Rahul, name of the son, and then Monday, time, date, everything you will mention at Konark Hotel and inform them that they will be glad to attend the function. आपने जगह का भी नाम बताया कि आपने इस वेन्यू पे मुझे बुलाया है and you are then telling, you are accepting that I'll be glad to attend the function. Best wishes Rathores. Means आपने जिसने accept किया उनका यहाँ पे नेम या फिर सरनेम. तो ये हो गया हमारा क्या, फॉर्मल रिप्लाई ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस. यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया है, फंक्शन को एक्सेप्ट किया है. सो दिस वे यू राइट एक्सेप्टेंस. नाउ वील सी हाउ टू राइट फॉर्मल रिप्लाई ऑफ रिफ्यूजल. Now write a formal reply to Mrs. and Mr. Chawla regretting. Here you are going to refuse your inability to attend the birthday function of their son Rahul due to prior engagement. So this key word actually is generally used जब आप decline कर रहे होते हो या आप refuse कर रहे होते हो कि हम नहीं आ पाएंगे, तो you generally use due to some prior engagement. So top part is same. In the beginning, date is mentioned 12th January 2000. Then Mrs. and Mr. M.N. Rastogi. Now see here also the person's name is mentioned. Thank Mrs. and Mr. Chawla. अब यहाँ पे thank किसको किया जा रहा है, जिन्होंने बुलाया है, invite किया है, for inviting them on the occasion of the 5th birthday of their son. Again we can see third person pronoun, third person pronoun, third person pronoun. Rahul on Monday 28th January, then again you will mention the place also, you will mention the date also. They regret, you will use this word, they regret that they will not be able to attend the function due to a prior engagement. Best wishes, Malviya. See how politely you have declined. You have to be polite when you are refusing the invitation in that case as well. That was all about formal invitations and reply. Thank you everybody for watching.